Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can share your TikTok profile link to your friends or family. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're going to do is simply go ahead and open your TikTok. So on the bottom right, you're simply going to go ahead and tap on profile. So as you can see, here's my profile. Make sure you go ahead and follow me there, and if you want to go ahead and share your profile, however, all you're going to do is on the top right, you're simply going to go ahead and tap on this triple lines icon, and now simply go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. And if you scroll a little bit down on the account section, as you can see, there's a tab which says share profile. Tap on that, and now simply go ahead and copy link. So once you have copied the link, you can simply go on any platform you want to go ahead and share your account, and now you're simply going to paste the link that you copied and click on send. And there you go. If you go ahead and tap on the link which you just sent, it's going to take you straight to your profile. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to go ahead and comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.